Find out your bike's wet weight, as this is the overall weight, including oil, coolant, and gas. Although all good quality motorcycle lifts will give a maximum lift load, this will have a built-in safety factor. However, don't guess at this safety factor or take it for granted. Look for a lift that can safely handle your bike. Number 3. PSR Power Platform Portable Work Table. Don't have access to an extensive workshop space full of top-of-the-range kit? Are you looking for a portable work table that you can easily use away from home? Then check out PSR Power Platform Portable Work Table. Strictly speaking, the power stand isn't a lifting table in as much as it does not have any means of raising the table independently once you secure your bike in place. Instead, you must unfold the 18 inches high table and use a ramp to get the bike on board. Here, the term horses for courses fits the bill perfectly. Firstly, the power stand is constructed from heavy-duty mild steel and designed to fold flat. This feature and the built-in carrying handle mean that the table folds down to 45.6 by 26 by 4.6. Number 2. Black Widow Lift BW1500 AOV2MC Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Table. Weight can be a reassuring thing. Just ask the chunky guy at the bottom of any acrobatic pyramid. And when it comes to stability, they don't get any more solid than the Black Widow BW1500 AOV2MC. Although not the longest of our lift tables, the Black Widow makes up for its 78 inches length in two significant areas. Firstly, the table is an impressive 47 inches wide, giving you plenty of space to keep tools on hand when your bike is on the table. Number 1. Titan Ramps Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. So if you're looking for a great combination of features and price points, the Titan is the best bang for your buck. The Titan Ramps Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift gets your bike off the floor without breaking your back or your wallet. The lift has an impressive safe lifting capacity of 1000 lbs. To put this into perspective, the average big bore touring hog with all the bells and whistles bends the scales at a whopping 889 lbs, so you're well within its lifting limit. To make sure your bike stays in place while you're working on it, both the tabletop and the ramp have a deep diamond plate pattern. This design will help to prevent the tires from slipping. The Titan also comes with a tire vise and an angled plate right at the end of the table. This feature will prevent you from rolling straight off the end.